Should you lease option a house? People ask. I don't know. Watch this video and tell me what you guys think. I've been doing this for 5 years and it's our most profitable way to make money in real estate. Guys, my name is Travis Oglesby. I started investing in 2016 and since then I've flipped over 400 homes, so we still flip a lot. But I've built a single family portfolio to 19 million in holdings and cash flows over $30,000 per month. And here on this channel, I'm documenting my way to 50 grand a month in cash flow. We have a simple, repeatable process, and I look forward to showing you guys how we do it. I think once people get away from just thinking about real estate investing as in houses and more in math, the game changes. Guys, real quick, I spent 25 hours putting together a training called 8 Steps to Mastering Creative Finance. And I'm gonna give this away here for free in the description. So first, let's back up. Let me tell you why I love owner financing homes. And so owner financing, just like a bank, provides cash flow, true cash flow, not a watered down number like rentals, where one repair and it wipes out years of cash flow. So having predictable cash flow through notes, which is owner financing, makes everything else in your business so much easier because the cash flow just shows up every month. And whenever you have that predictable income, it changes the way you look at every other aspect of your business, whether it's from hiring to growing to scaling to marketing to portfolio growth, which is what we focus on now. And so now when you buy a home, whether it is cash or whether it is creative finance, either which way, whether it's cash or creative finance, one of two ways. You bought it cash, you bought it creatively. And we typically then always lease option them to our buyers at first. And so why I like selling them on a lease option first is because it allows us to test the relationship and make sure that we like them and that they like us. That's fine. But they like us because we provide them a beautiful home for their family to live in and the option at home ownership. We like them because they pay their payments on time. Makes it for a great relationship. And so the reason we do this is I like the lease option allows us to refinance the home at any time. So if I bought it creatively in sub 2 and the note gets called, I can then refinance it with a lease option. Very simple. Even though we never have notes get called, it's still a lot of my apprentices like biggest fear. And so this has been my way of like just completely leaving it. It doesn't matter if it gets called, we'll just refinance it. But the other thing is that we can perform an eviction at any time. So it's not a big old formal foreclosure. We can just evict them and it makes for a super simple process and it just puts us both in the same boat together. And so our typical cash flow on a lease option is $450 to $550 per month net. True net, not like some skewed net number. It is completely true. And so you can imagine what that looks like after doing that for years. Imagine every month you got a $550 raise in your, not just your cash flow, in your income. Whatever you guys are doing today, imagine if you got paid $550 more every single month you went to work. If you don't have that, which most of us don't, I would encourage you to look at what we're doing here. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I try and respond to everyone. And if you guys want my 8 steps to mastering creative financing, click the link below. It'll be there in the description. And guys, if you don't know Jesus or real estate, I suggest you get to know both.